Oh, I think InFocus has been instrumental in being able to increase our throughput over the past couple years. And it's been instrumental in being able to ensure that our machines are being utilized to their fullest capability.
Every time we're done programming a job or running a job through the machine, we'll kind of go through like a dynamic drill down of a job. And like a good example would be like an IP mold that we just cut on one of our machines. We were able to look at how much extra time got put into stuff that we could have done differently, and it ended up opening up the door to be able to save hours and hours and hours on the next job. So having that information will make the next job go probably 2 days faster. I know our jobs are coming off our machines faster now.
Before, we were making decisions out of the gut, and now we were making data-driven decisions where people are held accountable. And I think that's one of the appealing parts of the software, is now these changes and the things that we're doing has really created data-driven culture.
You know, InFocus has increased our efficiency in our shop by other measures, and one of them is the competitive nature of every employee that is running machines. Most of the guys that are here want to do a good job and want to make sure that the company's doing well and want to know that they're doing a good job. So InFocus definitely has changed the culture, the environment in our shop. It's all cut and dry, and it's all backed up information that it's very difficult for somebody to dispute that it's accurate.
The APIs were very easy to use. We were able to tweak and get exactly the data that we wanted in the format that we wanted to be able to work in, to be able to utilize and automate all of our reports. The support for using the APIs was fantastic. We had barely any issues, and whenever there's something arose, it was a matter of a quick email, and within 20 minutes, everything was sorted out and good to go.
I've never worked on a machine before. I've never ran any part of CNC or EDM, but InFocus is definitely very easy to use. I go onto the shop floor and the guys see me and they know I don't have any experience, but they know I also have like concrete data to show them like how they can improve, and they definitely will listen to me and come to me for advice on how to prioritize a job.
My favorite features of the phone app is that I can log in, I can check machines remotely from home, from laying in bed if I need to. If I notice that the feed override is not clicked up at 100% where it needs to be, I'll send a text message to our night supervisor, have him follow up with the operator, and have him go and put the machine where it needs to be. We've got 27 different machines, so the likelihood that they're all at 100% all the time doesn't always happen in reality.
The investment in InFocus software has paid dividends easily within the first year. I believe that our efficiencies were picked up, recognized our inefficiencies, and then we picked up our efficiencies to the point where at our shop rates that we've more than paid for it in our first full year of having InFocus.
So yeah, I think InFocus has had a good return on the investment. I think that getting that money back at the shop rate, at 5 hours at shop rate, it's easy to recover the cost of getting into the software.
I would tell any shop from small to big definitely to invest in technology. Obviously, today's day and age, with the youth movement and the millennials coming on board and introduction to the workplace, I think we got to speak their language, and this is their language. It's imperative, I think, for their future and for the success of the industry that they incorporate some of their technology, if not all of their technology.
Knowing what we have now with the information that we can get, I can't imagine ever not having that info at my fingertips.